In this Revizto training session, we're going to be focused on the preferences available to you in the Revizto interface. In the top of the application, right to the left of the Help button, you can see the Preferences option. Whenever we select this, we're going to be presented with many different options about how Revizto will operate. First is the General Preferences. This is where we can set our working folder, control our language, control our default screen whenever we're opening the project, choose which units we're measuring by, as well as control the scale of the user interface. In our navigation options, this is where we can control standard gaming controls, Revit controls, SketchUp controls, hybrid controls between the three, as well as classic Navisworks walk controls. Under the graphics preferences, this is where we can choose how high we want our graphics quality, as well as individual graphical options that we have in the project, such as super sampling, sun shafts, shadows, HDR capability, tone mapping, fog, glass reflection, as well as the ability to downscale rendering resolution for super large projects. If you notice, if we want to incorporate occlusion culling to enhance our performance on large projects, we can turn double-sided materials on, and that will allow us to incorporate occlusion culling. This will enable a performance enhancement that allows you to only visualize what you're looking at inside of the project, effectively allowing Revizto to drop all of the information that you're not visually seeing out of the project and enhancing performance. Under Camera, this is where we can control our field of view, visibility distance, and camera height, as well as choose the option if we want to smoothly navigate the camera from one position to another when switching viewpoints, or if we want to instantly teleport. I can also control transparency of the menu itself at the top right. If I want to revert all of these settings back to default settings, I can choose this here, and it will allow me to reset all of that information.